Let's take a tour of this gorgeous home in the most peaceful surroundings you could ever imagine. I think you'll be impressed. Hi, I'm John Schaub with Century 21 Lemack Realty. I wanted to welcome you to this beautiful home on Leathersticking Trail in desirable Heritage Estates. This is such a peaceful area, just a little bit outside of town, and this is a lovely home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split bedroom plan, over 2,000 square feet of living area. Isn't this just a lovely view? It's so peaceful, so quiet, shaded, and just lovely. But I think you'll find the home is just as lovely as the front yard. Let's go take a look. Well, you're going to love this home, and it's so open. And I think the first thing that struck me when I came in was how large this room is. Gosh, there's so much here, and it's completely open into the kitchen and dining area. This would be what I'd call a country kitchen. Eating and cooking all right here in a beautiful island that makes it so convenient. Could be a serving area or plenty of room for additional pots and pans. And this granite countertop makes it feel like a luxury home. And then what I like here, if you look over here, is look at all this space over here, the cabinets and the countertop, just so much extra room. There's a stainless steel double door fridge with that pull-out freezer at the bottom. I love those. And then a stainless steel range and granite countertops all along here. Double sink. I love this island. And then, like I said, this is a country kitchen, and so you just flow right into the eating area. And there's plenty of room here. There's 6 at this table, but the table could be wider. Then we've got the granite countertops carrying along here to this area with plenty of cabinets and a pantry here. Just an amazing amount of room here. But that's not the only pantry. Let me show you something else. So look at the size of this pantry in addition to what's in the kitchen there. And this is the laundry area as well, and the washer and dryer right over my shoulder. While we're here by the laundry room, let's go out and look at the garage. What I like about this garage is this deep sink. It's right out here. You can clean up when you're done working, and you don't need to take any of that into the house. And look how convenient this is. Here, this is the entry right into the house, so if you have groceries, they're right inside there. But look at all this extra space. There's plenty of room here to set up work areas, bench. The current owner has a bench here, drill press, bandsaw. This could be done for a lot of hobbies. Something I like about this home is it's a split bedroom plan. And so the primary bedroom is over here, and the 2 guest bedrooms and the hall bath are over here. So if you're in the primary bedroom with all that room for work areas and crafts and everything, you can be away from any noise that's going on, maybe with the kids or anything, another TV going on out here in the other bedrooms. How convenient is that? I just love split bedroom plans. It shows some thinking when this was designed to provide for that. This is the amazing primary bedroom. It's so large. It has all these areas. There's a work area over here, plenty of room, and a door out to the sunroom. And then over here, it's a sitting area, or my gosh, you could put a lot of furniture here, and another work area. And then this is the way into the full bath. It's got a separate tub and shower and a walk-in closet. And then on the other side of the house, we have the 2 guest bedrooms and the hall bath. This is the first guest bedroom. It's got a nice view on the side yard and plenty of space. You see all the furniture that's in there, and your humble photographer's there, and a nice closet, even room for a chair here. And then right down the hall is the hall bath, and it's a combination tub and shower, and plenty of room in there. And then just down the hall from that is the third guest bedroom, and it's spacious, about the same size as the other bedroom, and a nice view out on the front yard. Now we'll go back to the kitchen and pick up from there. And the nice thing here is that this large country kitchen spills right into the sunroom, and the sunroom right onto the deck. Could that be any better? This is another eating area out here then, and the deck is another eating area plus grilling. You could have friends and family. Many people could be here and be very comfortable. Not only is there plenty of room, but it's heated and cooled. You can be out here year round, and yet these windows all open, they're screened, so you can have the breeze coming through in the summer, and they're double pane insulated windows, so you can be cozy in here in the winter. And then right on out to this beautiful covered deck right out here. And the view out here is just as good as the view in there. There's plenty of room here on the deck, and then you can see how large the deck is, and there's the sunroom, and below there's storage. And then this absolutely beautiful backyard that slopes down toward the stream. And here running through the property is a stream. The owner says has water in it most of the year. It's probably spring fed. And right now at this time of the year you can see it's flowing quite nicely. And it sounds so nice down there. I was down there for a while and it was just peaceful. And then coming back up we get another look at the home from the back. What a nice home. Look at all that space. And that's the side yard. And you can see the fenced yard there. Quite a bit of space for pets or kids. And large side yard there too. And then it goes back over to the RV port, which has water and electric. If you'd like to know more, tell your agent to get the details on 719 Leathersticking Trail in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Or if your agent doesn't have an Arkansas license or you don't have an agent, contact me, John Schaub, at 870-656-7888. Or it's easier, just go to enjoytheozarks.com. And all my information is there, and all the details on this home are there too. That's enjoytheozarks.com. John Schaub, Ozark Area Real Estate, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Thanks for watching.